Hello and welcome to Trainee TV. In this video we're going to give you some tips for self-shooting, and helping us out will be this xenomorph. First thing to think about is what format you want to shoot in. Are you making a TikTok or a feature film? There's so many options for aspect ratios to choose from, which all give a different feel to your finished video. What you do for lighting totally depends on the resources you have available, but for this video we'll focus on the most basic options. We humans look best when we are softly lit, and that's probably true for xenomorphs too. If you have a ring light, that is perfect for lighting you nice and evenly when you place it in front of you. Natural light also looks great. Try filming in front of a window where the sun doesn't hit you directly. Then, if you're outside using natural light, it's best to position the sun behind you for the best results, so your face isn't too bright. Where you position yourself in the frame can affect how you're perceived. Leave too much headroom and you'll look weak, but too little and you'll look like you're trapped in the frame. Position in the middle of the frame to own it and give yourself authority. Or try positioning on one of the vertical thirds for an artier look. These thirds are a great way to create lovely shots. Referred to as the rule of thirds, positioning things along these lines with your face on a point at which these lines intersect will make for great images. It's important to think about what is behind you when filming. Choose a background that works best for the content you're filming and doesn't distract your viewers too much from what you're saying. Where to look totally depends on what you're making, but if you want to connect directly with your viewers, then looking at them through the lens of your camera is a good idea, even if you don't have eyes. That's everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need further guidance, visit us at trainee.tv to find out how we can help your productions directly. Bye for now.